We have to talk about the bonuses because the $30,000 bonuses are back. Yes, Meta is paying $30,000 bonuses for people to create more content for Facebook. If you remember a few months ago, Meta was paying $30,000 bonuses on both Instagram and Facebook for simply uploading Reels. I was able to hit that bonus multiple times, and I even created a bunch of videos showing you guys how you can actually hit those bonuses as well. And then after Reels got popular on Facebook and Instagram, they decided to just get rid of the bonuses and they released something called ads on Reels, which allow you to basically monetize your Reels instead of making money with the bonuses. But a lot more people complained that they were making far more money from the bonuses than from ads on Reels. However, it seems like Meta wants to entice more engagement on Facebook, and so they've been sending out these invites, $30,000 invites into the engagement bonus. And at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can qualify for the engagement bonus and how you can take advantage of that bonus. But this is basically the invite that some creators are getting in their account. And basically what that means is that once you get that invite, you can start posting content on your Facebook page, and it also qualifies for professional mode profiles. So if you have a professional mode for your Facebook account and you have lots of friends for your account, then you could definitely get this invite as well. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a Facebook page. You can get it for professional mode. And basically what Facebook wants is for you to post more content. The more you post, the higher the bonus is going to be, the more money you can make, and the more engagement they get for the platform. So once you receive that invite, you can see you'll get something like this, where you'll be able to see exactly how long that bonus is and how much money you'll make from that bonus. As you can see, $30,000 available there. And from what I've seen, it's only available on Facebook right now. I haven't seen anyone that has reached out to me telling me that this is also available on Instagram. So if you are monetized on Facebook, you are more likely to get an invite into this bonus. And also, if you have a Facebook professional mode account, you could also receive this invite for this bonus. Overall, I think if you're already monetized on Facebook, meaning that you already make money from Instagram ads and ads on Reels, and you also get this bonus, you might as well take it because it's additional income from the same content you're posting anyway. And if you're not monetized and you want to learn how to get monetized on Facebook, build a Facebook page from scratch and get it monetized in less than 90 days, then check out Facebook Income School in the description below. This is my advanced program where I teach my students how to go from nothing to over 5,000 followers and get that page monetized and qualify for all the monetization tools. The link is gonna be in the description below if you guys wanna check it out. So how difficult it is to hit this 30,000 bonus once you get it? Well, it has a lot to do with how big your audience is on Facebook and also how frequently are you posting on your Facebook page. So if you're already getting lots and lots of engagement, let's say you're getting 5 million people reach per week, and you're also getting lots of engagement on each post, depending on how many times you're posting per day, per week, per month, I would say if you get an invite into this bonus and you take that bonus, that month you gotta go hard. Meaning that you probably need to post twice as much or even 3 times as much in order for you to reach that bonus. The closer you get to the 30,000, the more engagement you'll need to drive. So just keep that in mind, because if you wanna reach the $30,000 bonus in less than 30 days, then you'll need to post a lot. And if you want to learn some of the things that you'll need to do in order to qualify for this bonus and get that invite, then go ahead and watch this video, because I break down exactly what you can do and the posting strategy that you can follow to basically hit that bonus at the end of the month. With that said, this is Lester Diaz. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.